Hello everyone, I am Tanvir from Beta Tech YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. If your account deactivated by yourself, just try to log in. Your account reactivated by automatically. Your account is disabled by Facebook. Okay, follow just with me some steps. You need just 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. Here, the Facebook help page, disable for disable account. Uh, if your account disabled by Facebook, click here. Use this form to submit an update. Here the form. You need to submit the form yourself. Here, your mobile number or email. Here your name as it listed on your account. Your IDs, what type IDs Facebook supported. These are the separate types of IDs Facebook accepted. Group 1, birth certificate, driver license, passport and others. Group 2, bank statement, transfer card, check, credit card. Group 1 for the better options. You choose what type individual to send through Facebook. Okay. Okay. Let's begin. Here, demo group.com. Now select your it is formatted group file. Suppose an ID card, student ID, passport, bank statement, first file. Here my national ID card. I submitted my national ID card. Here you need to write some personal info like why your account is able. Some means I write here example. Wait. Use these types of additional information. Please copy and paste your additional information form. Okay, let's go. And click the send button. From the mail successfully. Thanks for typing Facebook. You should receive an email response shortly. Okay, now we are done our process. Wait some hour for the confirmation email. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and share to others. Or if you have any problem, comment below. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.